We're going to get started off with Maverick Youngblood. Maverick, I got to tell you this, man. You got to hook me up with one of those shirts right there. That is awesome. I love that. Maverick celebrating the big number 4 in Columbus.
And we got belated birthday wishes going out to Liza Smith with love from Grandma and Grandpa. She's 5 years old now in Pittsburgh.
Caitlin Peak is celebrating her 7th birthday. Looks all, somebody's got a puppy. Happy 7th birthday to Caitlin in Scammon.
How cute is that? And Monica Garcia turning 12 years old this year. She's got some beach time in this summer, I think, in Baxter Springs. Happy birthday, Monica.
That would make us all jealous, Monica. That looked like a gorgeous vacation you had there. Kane Bowers, big number 14. Kane is celebrating in Fairland. And Kane, I want you to have happy birthday wishes from Mom, Dad, and Caden.
All right. And in Erie, Kansas, Trevor Yarnell celebrating birthday number 20 this year.
Emily Mirando turning 24. Emily, a very happy birthday to you. She's in Frontenac.
And in Walnut, Kansas, celebrating birthday number 78, it's Jim Finley.
In Fulton, Mr. Lloyd Marsh. He's celebrating his 89th birthday. Looks like he got somebody that keeps him in line there, hovering over his shoulder. Happy birthday, Mr. Marsh.
I'm curious what they're looking at there. And let's see, Roger Shoe celebrating a birthday in McCune, Kansas.
And Heidi Lloyd, a happy birthday to Miss Heidi. She is celebrating in Columbus.
All right, this is an impressive one. 60 years together.
Love the
Congrats going out to Lloyd and Vera Helwig in Columbus, Kansas. In this picture, they are with all of their grandchildren. Well, I'm not even sure if it's all of them, but they're pictured with grandchildren in here.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Helwig. Long time no see. I hope everything's going very well. Brad Stewart is turning 40, and Brad not only celebrating a birthday, but that is Sergeant Stewart. So Brad, thank you for your service, and a very, very happy birthday to you as well. Sherry Saya, she has a birthday in Girard. Happy birthday to Sherry. And Shelby Norman, she turns 23. Shelby, I want you to know that this comes with love from Grandma and Grandpa, and you can find Miss Norman in Frontenac.
All right, Anna Groner celebrating birthday number 61 this year. Anna is in Bone Creek. And Jim and Vicki Carlinger celebrating their 49th anniversary this year. They're in Pittsburgh. The Dooleys in Columbus are celebrating an anniversary. It's 37 years together for Steve and Sonia.
Debbie Tachi, she has a birthday. A happy birthday to Debbie. She is also in Frontenac. Josh Merrill, he is celebrating his 26th birthday. Josh, a happy birthday in Girard. And our good friend Glenda Carlson is celebrating birthday number 78. Miss Carlson faithfully sends lists of birthdays from the 9 tribes, various nursing homes, and the Modoc tribes. Glenda, thank you for keeping tabs on everybody and making sure that they get their birthday wishes. That's very, very kind of you, and you deserve a big happy birthday of your own. Glenda's 78 in Miami. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this 1st of September. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at koamtv.com, or you can go to our website, koamnewsnow.com. Don't forget, be a little specific for us. Make sure you put down what day you want us to celebrate that upon. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.